Hello, my name is John. Thank you for joining me on this quick how-to video on how to best operate your Carrier refrigerated unit. Firstly, I'd like to talk about best load practice to optimize your temperature control of product within the vehicle. Firstly, we need to pre-chill the box with no freight in it to the desired temperature. Once that has been achieved, we will stop the unit, load our refrigerated product, seal the box, and turn it on at the desired set point. Once temperature has been achieved, we make our way to the delivery point, switch the unit off, deliver the goods, seal the container, and turn the unit back on. Your current vehicle is fitted with one of our Carrier Supra premium diesel drive units. Next, we're going to run through the basic diesel operation of your Supra unit. To turn the unit on, place the start run switch in the on position. The unit will start automatically. At this point, the unit is set at -20 in the frozen range. Once the diesel engine has started and is running, it's time to adjust our set point. We want to set this unit to -15. To do that, we press the up arrow until we get to -15 and press equals to set the set point. Once the unit is at the desired set point, the unit will run down to temperature and shut off in the frozen range. The next feature we have is the City Mode key. This key will lock the unit into low speed. When we've selected City Speed, the turtle icon will be displayed on the screen. To take the unit out of City Speed, simply repress the button. This unit has two ranges of operation. We have frozen and fresh. Operating in the frozen range, it is best to run start stop, which is displayed here at the center of the screen. The unit will run down to -15, the desired set point, and shut the unit off. When the freight inside the box rises 4 degrees, the unit will restart and re-achieve set point. When operating the unit in a fresh range, which is anything over 0 degrees, we would like to set the unit to continuous run. When in continuous run, the stop-start icon disappears. Our fresh range is 0 degrees and above. When in our fresh range, running in continuous, the unit will not shut down. It will run down to our desired set point and then proceed to heat and cool to maintain the desired set point. When searching for unit information, the driver may be asked to report on engine hours. We access this through the information key. To find out diesel engine hours, simply press the information key until we have our engine hours displayed. Note that down and report to Scully's. In the event you are experiencing some cooling difficulties, you may be asked to perform a manual defrost. If this is required, we press the manual defrost key here. This will only activate at temperatures where the coil is 4 degrees or less. When a manual defrost is entered, you will see DF displayed on the screen and the raindrop icons at the top. When a defrost has been completed, this will disappear from the screen. If the unit happens to enter an alarm state, the alarm icon will illuminate on the top button here, followed by an audible buzzer. To silence the buzzer, all we need to do is press and hold the alarm key. Your Supra unit is equipped with electric standby. This end of the plug joins to your unit behind the cab. When installed, we take our other end and plug into the wall power to run your unit on electric standby. Your vehicle is currently fitted with the Carrier Transicold Xarios Premium Off-Engine Drive unit. To run the unit on off-engine drive, first place the keys in the ignition and start the truck. Once the truck is running, we can now turn the unit on. I'd like to take a few moments now to give you a brief description on the Xarios controller. Here we have our electric standby LED. This will illuminate when the unit is running on standby power. Here we have our road LED. This will illuminate when we are using the truck off engine drive. We have a manual defrost key. We have our plus and minus to adjust our set points, our set key to set the set point and access unit information. We have the unit on and off key, and we have the unit status LED. This will illuminate green for good and red for fault. Now the truck is up and running, we can now turn the unit on. The unit initializes and flashes green in startup sequence, and will go solid when at set point. To change the unit to the desired set point, first press the set key. That indicates what the unit is currently set to. To change this, press the positive key to your desired set point and the set key to lock it in. The unit will now run down to temperature. If in a poor cooling situation, sometimes it may be necessary to initiate a manual defrost. This can be done using this key, but will only initiate at temperatures at 4 degrees or below. To access unit information or fault codes, press and hold the set key. This will now display the alarm codes. In this situation, P is for passed alarm. An active alarm will have an A in place of the P, and the icon will flash red. To turn the unit off, simply press the off key. This unit is equipped with electric standby and can be run from shore power. The best way to turn the unit on and off is this way. We take our blue end, we connect to the unit here. When that is connected and secured, we take the other end and connect to our building. Turn the unit building power on, and then we'll move inside the cab. The first and most important thing about running your unit on electric standby are the ignition keys are not in the vehicle. Now we can proceed to turn the unit on. Now that you have your unit plugged into standby power and the ignition key removed, it is now safe to turn your unit on. When the unit is on and standby power is selected, this LED will illuminate and the unit will automatically start to run. When you have finished using your unit on electric standby, it is very important that the unit be turned off at the off key before standby power is de-energized. Doing this will ensure no damage to the unit. Thank you for taking the time to watch this how-to video. You know now how to best operate your Carrier Transicold refrigerated unit and maintain optimal temperature product for your freight. If you should experience any emergency breakdown situations or service requirements, please call the number below. Thanks for watching.